Alright, here's our 7th sig test. We're finding where these two lines intersect, so you graph both of them. Y-intercepts at 8, slope is up 4 over 1 or down 4 back 1. Negative negative is still a positive slope. The other one's negative 10 and the slope is negative 2, so go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, or you can go up 2 back 1. Positive negative, boom. So they better intersect at negative 3, 4. Put them equal to each other. Solve, and you get negative 3 for the x. Oh yeah. Plug it back in for the x into either one of them, doesn't matter. Solve, and I get negative 4. So they both come out to be the same, and they better since we're finding the point of intersection of both of them. Distribute, combine like terms, subtract x from each side, so I get negative 3x, add 20 to both sides, I get 0, 0 equals x. This one's no solution because after you distribute, combine like terms, add 9x to both sides, the x's disappear and you're left with something that's not true, so there's no way you can find an answer for that one. There's no solution for it. Rewrite in y form, so get it y equals. Subtract 3x from each side, and then combine like terms. I need the y by itself, so I divide it by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. The y-intercept is at 0, negative 10. Just check and see if these points are on the line. Just plug in the x and the y. X and the y. If it's true, it's on the line. If it's not true, it's not on the line. So those two were true. Most people are getting this pretty good, so don't need a lot of time. I make a little generic rectangle. Some of you just use foil. Multiply them out, combine like terms. Same thing over there. Most people missed it because negative times a negative is a positive. You wrote a negative. You can cross multiply. So 4x minus 28 and 3x minus 24. Those are equal. Solve it, you get 4. Same thing there. X minus 2 is equal to y, so I plugged it in for the y. So I wrote down this whole equation except for the y, and then I just plug it in. Distribute, solve, and you get the x. Plug the x back in. 7 minus 2 is 5, and that's how you get the y, because you're looking for x and y there. X is equal to this, so you plug it in for the x. Plug it in for the x. Distribute. A lot of people messed up. Negative times a negative, so positive. Solve, you get your y. Don't forget to plug it back in to get your x.